Some of your best pages are quietly losing traffic every single month. Not because they're bad, but because your competitors are constantly improving their pages, and also Google is also constantly changing and improving their algorithm. Now, most people don't notice this slow decline until months or years later, and it's already too late. But the good news is you can easily spot these decaying content pieces and improve them without creating new content like everyone else. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. Now, if you leave your pages as is without updating them, eventually they will be affected by Google's algorithmic core updates. They are broad changes to how Google assesses overall site quality and relevance. Google also prioritizes content freshness. They use a query deserves freshness score. Okay, so if a topic is trending or time sensitive, like for example, best smartphones 2025, that search term, the older pages will lose visits to newer content. So Google's algorithm is changing and your competitors are improving their content. So if you leave your page untouched, it will slowly decrease visits over time. Now, when traffic drops, most people assume they need to publish more content. But one thing to know is that if your page ranked high before, Google already trusts it. And that's excellent news because you don't need to create brand new content. Instead, you just need to freshen up your old content. But how do you find these decaying content pieces in the first place? To check if you have any decaying pages, see if any have lost clicks recently, but are still getting impressions. If impressions are still there, that means demand hasn't disappeared and the opportunity still exists for you to improve it and have the page better compete with your competitors and capture some of that lost search traffic. Now, to improve your decaying pages, I recommend this step-by-step process. You always want to first check to see if the search intent has changed. And you can determine that by taking a look at the top ranking pages for whatever search keyword, search query you want to rank higher for. So if it has changed, an easy way to update the search intent is to take a look at the intro and make sure it matches today's intent. You'll also want to refresh outdated information, laws, statistics, or examples as well. This is the most important thing if you want to make sure your content is as fresh as possible. You'll also want to add missing sections your competitors now include. So if there's specific subtopics that they are mentioning, you'll want to mention those as well. And lastly, you'll want to improve internal links to your page. So add links from other pages on your site pointing to the page you want to improve. Now, of course, you can look at your Google Search Console to find your decaying pages according to clicks and impressions. But an easier and faster way is by taking a look at the Content Decay Report by Website Ranking Checker. This is a free tool that connects to your Google Search Console and automatically finds the pages that lost clicks over the past 30 days. So for my website, these are the biggest traffic losses. So I have 4 opportunities. So 4 pages are losing the most traffic over the past 30 days. As you can see, they are losing between 60 to 30% of traffic, which is pretty huge. You can see the exact page URL right here and see how many clicks they've received over the past most recent 30 days compared to the clicks they received in the previous period. And you can see the percentage change right here and also the impressions over the past 30 days. So if you check this once a month and optimize these specific URLs so that they match today's search intent and are updated with fresh content, you'll consistently recover traffic. Now, Website Ranking Checker makes it easy for you to create kind of like a to-do list. So if you click on Add a Task, this will be added into your tasks list so you can more easily track all of your tasks for any given time period. Checking and improving your decaying pages is one of the easiest ways to recover your search traffic. And Website Ranking Checker makes it super easy to find those specific pages. And I'll include a link to the tool in the description below. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.